Friends, I am Prabal Chakraborty. Today I want to discuss D'Alembert differential equations or non-homogeneous D'Alembert differential equations. So this problem is coming CSIR NET examinations. CSIR NET. This problem is coming CSIR NET examinations, friends, and this is very important. So I discuss this as we are learner. That's why we need to know this is in partial differential equations. So before this I discuss the theory for non-homogeneous equation. Whatever we get del square u divided by del t square minus c square into del square u divided by del x square equals to fxt we get. And remembering that, you have to remember this formula, because in this formula is very important, that whenever this type of equation is given, then you must write uxt is equal to half into fx plus ct plus fx minus ct plus 1 by 2c into x minus ct into x plus ct g xi comma dxi plus 1 by 2c into x plus x minus c into t minus theta. This is the formula x minus c t minus theta. Another formula x plus c t minus theta f is comma theta, and it is 0 to t ds into d theta. This is a total formula. Now we comparing this equation with these equations. In here utt minus c square uxx is equal to fxt. If I comparing this, then I get c square is equal to 1, means c is equal to 1. And when I will comparing that utt, means friends utt, then our fxt is equal to e to the power x plus 60 minus e to the power x plus 60 minus e to the power x plus 60. This is the formula. So u x comma t is equal to half. Whatever I get, fx plus ct. Fx plus ct means sin x plus ct plus sin x minus ct. Sin x minus ct. After that, whatever we get, I get 1 by 2. Here listen, g xi. Here fx x is equal to u x comma 0, means sin x, and g x is equal to u t x comma 0, means 0. So this value is 0, because g xi dxi is equal to 0, plus 1/2 0 to 1 and x minus t minus theta and x plus t minus theta, and our fs theta is the value of the e to the power s plus 6 theta into ds into d theta. I think clear? Yes, I think clear. It is clear. Next, sin a plus b in plus sin a minus b. So friends, sin a plus b formula, sin a plus b and plus sin a minus b. Okay, this formula is very simple. 2 into sin a plus b plus a minus b divide by 2 to cos a plus b plus minus a plus b divide by 2. So we get sin a cos b, and after that whatever we get when we will it is the market that you have to differentiate and integrate ds with respect to ds. Then we get half into 0 to 1 x minus t minus theta x when we will integrate, we get e to the power s plus 6 theta s into x minus t minus theta x plus t minus theta. This is the value I get. And after that, if I put, I will write sin a cos b plus half into 0 to 1 e to the power s, here also d theta. I putting the value s value is x plus t minus theta, x minus t minus theta. So whatever I get e to the power x into e to the power t minus theta minus upper limit minus lower limit e to the power x into e to the power minus t minus theta. I get this value by putting the value of the s, and after that 6 theta s means 6 theta I write, and after that I putting the value x plus t minus theta minus x plus t minus theta. So x cut, sin a into cos b plus half into 0 to 1 e to the power 0 to t, sorry, it is the value is 0 to t, and we get yes, cleared everything, e to the power x into e to the power t, and I get whatever I get e to the power, if I write e to the power x plus t into e to the power minus theta minus e to the power x minus t into e to the power minus theta. And after that, if I will, here also very attention, I have to pay attention here, 12 theta e to the power x minus t into e to the power minus theta into 12. if I will multiply 12 into t minus theta, this is the value. This value is coming after calculations. Calculation is very, very important because our main problem is mistake. Okay, I hope that my calculation is correct, but you will also check my calculation. Half into 0 to t into whatever we get, we have to, if we will want to integrate, then we write e to the power x plus t and e to the power minus theta. E to the power minus theta means minus e to the power t into minus e to the power t, minus e to the power theta into 0 to t, because my integration with respect to theta, and after that minus e to the power x minus t minus e to the power minus theta 0 to t. And another fact that in here, I get t into 6 into theta square I write, and 0 to t, and after that in here theta square means theta cube, means 4 into theta cube into 0 to t. Okay, this is the value will come according to my calculations. And half is also multiply. My half is multiplying half. Sin A cos B minus, in here also, in here one of the mistake, fxt means minus, so it is minus. This value is minus because fx comma t is equal to minus e to the power x plus 60, so it is minus, and it is minus, and it is minus. So minus half, and after that you will just putting the values e to the power x plus t, in here minus theta, or in here minus plus theta in here, so e to the power x plus t, and you will put the value minus e to the power minus t and plus 1 minus e to the power x minus t, you put this value just e to the power t minus 1, e to the power t minus 1, and in here if I put the values, then I get 6t cube and 6t cube, and in here I get 4t cube. Okay, very simple, just putting the limit, and after that whatever I get, I write sin A cos B minus half e to the power x, I put in here minus t, so it is e to the power x will come, and plus e to the power x plus t, and minus e to the power x, and in here e to the power x minus t. e to the power x minus t will come, plus, and this portion and this portion will cut, plus 6t cube minus 4t cube, means 6t cube minus 4t cube, sorry, in here also minus e to the power x. Calculation is very 6t cube minus 2t cube, so it is not cutting because it is also minus, so no problem that. And sine a cos b minus half into e to the power minus x 2 e to the power x plus e to the power x plus t in plus e to the power x minus t and plus 2t cube. Okay, and next sine a cos b, and this will be cutting both sides. Whatever I get this value. Okay, no problem. Why I write it is not sine a plus sine a cos b, not sine x cos t. Here t, and it is written also, I write wrong, it is x and t, 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 x t. Main problem is for this formula you have to remember. You have to remember just this formula, this Starembert ratio formula you have to remember. Then then it is very easily you can understand. And minus half, and whatever I get this value minus 2 into e to the power x plus 2t cube into e to the power x plus t plus e to the power x minus t. This is the value I get. Next, whatever I get, next I get u pi by 2 comma pi by 2. I have to find out pi by 2 comma pi by 2. So when I putting in here sine pi by 2 cos pi by 2, so cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, so it is 0. And when I write minus half into minus 2 into e to the power x means pi by 2 I write, and y means plus 2 into pi cube by 8, and e to the power pi by 2 plus pi by 2 means e to the power pi, and e to the power pi by 2 minus pi by 2 means e to the power 0 means 1. Okay, and our value is, you have to calculate. Calculation is very not tough, but you have to you have to pay attention so much. So calculation is minus e to the power pi by 2 and 4. I get pi cube by 8 plus e to the power pi plus 1 divided by 2, and after that you can write this way, that e to the power pi by 2 1 minus e to the power pi by 2 by 2, and 1 plus pi cube by 8, and this is I can write plus okay, it is in here minus, so it is minus, and in here it is minus, so it is minus, and it is minus. It is I can write it's plus way, means it is in bracket, so I can write this is minus pi cube plus 4 by 8. So my answer is u pi by 2 comma pi by 2 e to the power equals to e to the power pi by 2 comma 1 minus e to the power pi by 2 by 2 minus pi cube plus 4 divided by 8. Thank you.